This is Gabby, the Tradescantia. She has gorgeous leaves with green and cream stripes on top and bright purple underneath. She's a really good plant if you have limited space but want something eye-catching. Gabby's a very easy plant to look after. She only needs a drink once most of her soil has dried out, and she'll be very forgiving if you forget. The only thing she won't like is being overwatered, so take a less is more approach. When you're deciding where to put Gabby, be aware that she doesn't like direct sunlight. It can burn her leaves. Other than that, she's pretty easygoing. She's happy in anything from partial shade to bright, indirect light. She's a really good choice for a shelf, bedside table, or your desk. Like all patch plants, Gabby comes in a brown nursery pot with holes in the bottom to allow water to drain out. We have loads of decorative pots to choose from, and the website will tell you which pot your plant needs. You don't need to remove her from the nursery pot, just place her in the decorative pot like this. To learn more about how to care for your houseplants, search for the free Patch Houseplant Parenting course.